Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Has it recently been recommended to you that you need to take iron pills? I tried out these from MegaFoods and I found that they were super helpful. They're quite unique from a lot of other pills that I've had to take in the past. As you can see, the pills have a really small size, so it made them really easy to swallow. I also found that they did not have a lot of side effects for me. Normally, I have a lot of digestion issues, and I found that these did not affect that at all. I also really appreciated that because of my digestion issues, I often take pills and I find that I am burping them up all day. Not the case with these mini pills. Taking these with food really helped me a lot, but they even say that you do not need to take them with anything. I found that either way, I had a lot of success while taking these pills. I was very impressed by that small size that made them so easy to take. It really changed around my viewpoint towards having to take iron pills. If they've been recommended to you as well, this might be a really good option for you to consider. But that's just my point of view.